Prior to installation, a UL-listed electrical outlet box must be installed underneath the countertop by a licensed electrician. 15 amp models require an outlet on a GFI circuit. The 20 amp GFI models require a 20 amp outlet. Prior to installation, consult and follow all conditions found at the end of this video. Before installation, a qualified contractor should cut a 3 3/4 inch diameter hole in the countertop. To begin installation, first remove the plastic threaded locking flange from the PUR unit and set aside for later use. Place the PUR unit power cord first through the opening until the black gasket rests on the countertop. Run the power cord through the locking flange and thread the flange counterclockwise until locked tightly in place. Plug the power cord into the previously installed electrical outlet underneath the counter. To open the PUR unit, press down firmly on the cover, then pull the cover up until the unit locks in place. To close the PUR unit, push the black plastic tab to unlock, then push the cover down until the unit clicks and locks in place. Included with each PUR device is an optional flange which provides a more contoured look for the countertop. To install the flange, place a small bead of silicone around the bottom of the flange. Place the flange over the cover and set in place. The cover and flange should remain untouched until the silicone has fully dried, approximately 24 hours. Prior to installation, the following conditions are required. For indoor use only. This product is designed for countertops, desktops, and similar surfaces. This product is not suitable for floor use. All non-GFI units must be wired to a GFCI circuit breaker if being installed in a kitchen, bathroom, or any other area where the potential for water is present. Electric cord and plug may not be cut off for hardwiring. Doing so will negate any warranty or return of material. Only licensed, insured, and bonded electrical contractors should install the PUR series. These products have no field serviceable parts. If the product is damaged, it must be returned to the factory. Any attempt to alter this product in any way may cause electrocution. Lou Electric accepts no responsibility if the above conditions are not followed.